Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create particle intro effect using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and if we want to create particle intro effect, we need to prepare the background for our intro. I recommend you to download a black background from the internet, and after you have prepared your background, you can go to the photo editor in CapCut. I'm going to select my black background. This is the black background I have just downloaded, and I'm going to click on edit, and we're going to add text to this background. Go to the text, and then you can choose the font for your text. You can also choose the style, and I'm going to select, for example, this one. Okay, and I'm going to type in intro. Okay, and I'm going to make it bigger, just like this guys. Okay, right, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and we're going to save this image. Click on export to save it. All right, and now the image has been saved to my device, and I'm going to create new project on CapCut. We can select new project, and we can import the exported photo. Okay, this one. I'm going to add it to my project. All right, and we can customize the duration. You can choose the duration for your intro, but wait, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. For the intro, I'm going to apply 5 seconds. Okay, then to create the particle effect, we can go to the effect menu, tap on your image, and then select effect, and go to the style. Okay, and you're going to go to the particle and select this effect. Okay, apply the effect to your intro to create particle effect. Wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, and then once you're ready to save this video, you just need to click on export, and the intro will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create particle intro effect using CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.